Hello everyone, welcome again to another beaded bag making tutorial. Thank you for joining me today, and I'm going to show you step by step on how to make this beautiful beaded bag. I do appreciate all of you for your support. Thank you so much, and let's get started. So here I have a sugar bead or square bead in front of me over here. This is in a 10mm square bead, okay, 10mm in black color. Here are also some beautiful colors that you can choose from to make this beautiful beaded bag. I'll be putting the link in the description box down below where to get it, in case you want something different to work with and not only the black one. Okay, you have beautiful colors over here. Let's get started. So I have here my plier to cut any loose thread, my monofilament in 50 pound, and that's what I'm going to use. So let's get started with 4 bead. I'm stringing this 4 bead on the line, okay? String 4 bead like this on the line, and I'm going to hold the last one and cross my right line into it and pull down. Hold and pull. So again, on each side of my line, I'm going to add 1 bead on each side of my line and cross into the third one and pull, okay? I'm adding 1 to the left side and 1 to the right side, okay? Like this. Then I'm going to cross both ends into this third one and pull. Crisscross like this. Hold the lines together, okay? Like this. You crisscross, hold the lines together and pull down. Again, this is how it looks like, okay? So again, I'm going to add 1 bead on each side of my line, add to the left side, add 1 to the right side. Then you have something like this. I'm going to cross into the third bead and pull. Crisscross both ends of the line like this. Hold the lines together and pull down. We have 3 units done, okay, like this. Looks beautiful already. I'm going to continue on each side of my line, okay? I'm adding 1 bead to each side of my line, the left and the right line, like this. I'm going to cross into the third one and pull. Crisscross like this. Hold the lines together and pull. Now we have 4 units done, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we are going to continue to do is to make this unit 11 times, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to continue 11 times like this. I completed mine off camera, and here is how it looks like. This is 11 units that I made, okay? So this is my right line, okay? This is my right line. I'm going to turn to make more rows. So I'm adding 3 bead to my right line. Add all these 3 bead to my right line. It doesn't matter if you are left-handed, you can add it to the left line, okay? So I'm holding the last bead, cross with my left line and pull. Like this. Now my line turn on the side. We can start a new row, okay? My line is in this bead. We are going to turn to make another row over here, all right? So now I'm going to flip it over to my side like this. And now on my left line, I'm adding 3 bead on my left line. Hold the last one, cross with the right line and pull my right line into the next bead. All right? My left line, I add 2 bead to my left line. Hold the last one, cross with the right line and pull down my right line into the next bead. All right, I add 2 bead to my left line. I hold the last bead, cross with my right line, okay, and pull right line again into the next bead. 2 bead to the left line, cross with the right line and pull into the next bead. 2 bead to the left line, okay, hold the last bead, cross with the right line and pull. I'm pulling through the next bead again with my right line. 2 bead to the left line, cross with the right line and pull. So now this is how the pattern is, and we are going to continue the same way to the end, all right? And now I'm about to complete. I add 2 bead to my left line, cross with the right line and pull. Okay, I'm pulling through the last bead. Okay, and the same line, I add 2 beads to it. The line that I pull through the bead, I add 2 beads to the same line. That is my right line. I'm going to hold the last one, cross with the left line and pull. See my line turn on the side again, and now we are going to start another row. My left line, start with 3 beads. Okay, I add 3 beads to my left line, cross with the right line and pull down. My right line again into the next bead. 2 beads to the left line. Alright, 2 beads. I cross with my right line and pull into the next bead. That's the right line. Add 2 beads to the left line, cross with the right line and pull. My right into the next bead. So all the edge bead we are going to go through. Continue to complete this row, okay? And this is how the weave is looking like. Very, very beautiful. So now we made 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and we are going to continue to make 24 rows, okay? 24 rows. So what I'm going to do is to continue mine off camera. I'm going to complete and make 24 rows. All right, so make yours and I'll come back and meet you here so we can continue our weaving. Okay, here is mine. I completed mine. This is 24 rows I made, 24 by 12. Okay, this is how it looks like. So now that we completed this mark, we are going to make a little extension at the end. Okay, and now I'm going to pull through this first bead over here. I'm pulling my line through the first bead. I add 3 beads to the left line, cross and pull down. Now my right line into the next bead. That is the second bead, okay? Pull through the next bead like this. And on the same line, I add 2 beads to it. Here's the 2 beads I add to my right line, cross with the left line and pull down, okay? Like this. So now I'm going to work my way with my line into the bead to the first bead, all right? So I'm going to work my way around and cross into this bead, the first one right here. And that is what I'm going to do, all right? Go through this bead. I'm pulling through the one over here. Come up into the middle bead and cross into the first bead. All right, here, this one over here. And now I'm going to hold the second line, this one. I'm going to pull through this and come and cross into the bead. Go to the middle bead. All right, pull and pull tight. All right, the next bead and into the top and cross into the first bead. All right, like this. I have my line in the first bead, this one over here, okay? And now I'm adding 3 beads to my left line. I cross with my right line and pull. So I want to show you another way too, okay? If you don't want to weave your line and come back into the first bead, I want to teach you another way, simple way to do it, okay? So now right here, I'm just weaving my line back into the bead, okay? Make sure it's well secured enough, then I'll trim it off. So I'm just weaving the line back into the bead. All right, make sure it's secured before I trim it off. Okay, now this is how it looks like. So now let's weave on this side too, okay? Let me show you a simple way to do it. So now here is my line that I cut. I'm going to pull my line into this second bead, okay? The second one. Come into the second bead and pull your line through the second bead, all right? This is where my line is. It's in the second bead, all right? This one. So now I'm adding 3 beads, all right? Like this, 3 beads. I'm going to cross with my right line and pull. like this. Okay, now my right into the next bead. I'm pulling through the first bead on the edge over here like this, and I'm adding 2 beads to the same line that I pulled through the bead. Okay, that's my left line. Cross with the right line and pull. See how simple it is. Okay, so now I'm adding 3 beads to my left line, this like this. Okay, and I'm going to cross with my right line and pull, and we are done. Very simple as that. So now what I have to do is to weave my line back into the bead, secure my line, and trim it off. So over here I'm just weaving my line back into the bead. Make sure it's secured enough. Pull and pull tight to secure the lines, okay, before you trim it off. So we are going to repeat the same thing on the other side, both sides of our mat that we made, okay? And we are going to do this, and I'll do mine off camera. Continue to do yours, and I'll meet you back here, okay? I'm securing my lines. Make sure it's secured enough. Then I trim it off. And here we are going to continue to do the same. And here is how it looks like, okay? We have to do all the side like this. And I'm going to count 11, 6, 11, okay? Yes, 11. I'm going to count from this side to 11. All right, 11 rows. And now we have 6 in the middle, all right? So the 6 is going to be our base for the bag. So I'm going to fold on 11, okay? Over here, that's what I'm going to fold. This is 6 in the middle. So I'm going to fold on 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, so fold on 11 like this. All right, make sure you fold exactly on the line. Then you turn on this, count 11. All right, and leave 6 in the middle. All right, 4, 5, 6. And here's how you're gonna fold over here in the middle. And this is the shape of the bag that we have. Make sure you fold on the line like this. Everything must fold well and be equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, in the middle. And now this is how the shape is looking like. What we have to do is to fill the side and put handle on it. All right, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Please don't forget to check out the link in the description box down below to purchase your choice of color of bead that you want to make this beautiful bag, okay?